Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create email template in Zoho CRM. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the email template settings within Zoho CRM. Start by navigating to Settings at the bottom left, then move into Customization, and from there, select Templates. Once you're on the Email Templates page, you'll notice an option labeled Plus New Template. Go ahead and click on this to initiate the process of creating your new template. Now that we're ready to create, we need to choose the module and template type that best suits your needs. After selecting the correct module, click Next to proceed. Here, you'll be presented with different template options. You can choose a blank template if you want to build everything from scratch, or a pre-designed template if you prefer starting with a layout and making tweaks to suit your branding, or an insert HTML or plain text option where you can paste your own existing HTML code. Choose the option that aligns with your workflow and expertise. Once you've decided on your template type, it's time to let your creativity shine as you design your template. If you opted for a blank or pre-designed template, you'll be using a variety of components such as text boxes, images, buttons, and tables to bring your email to life. You can simply drag and drop these elements into your template. After crafting your template, it's crucial to preview and test it to eliminate any errors or formatting issues. Hit the preview button to see how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring it looks great everywhere. Following that, you should send a test email to up to 5 recipients. This step is vital to confirm that all formatting, images, and dynamic data fields render correctly in real-world use. Finally, it's time to save and organize your hard work, and that's it. So that is how you can create email template in Zoho CRM. So that's all for this video. Thanks.